Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to solve examples from practice set 3.2 which are based on the congruent triangles. Watch the video carefully and up to end. In the description box, I have given the link related to congruency test. So watch it. It will help you to understand this topic easily. Practice set 3.2. First question. In each of the example given below, a pair of triangles is shown. Equal parts of triangles in each pair are marked with the same signs. Observe the figures and state the test by which the triangles in each pair are congruent. This is the first example. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB congruent PQ because these two are shown by same mark. BC congruent QR, AC congruent PR. Therefore, by which test? Triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR? Right. Yes, yes, test. Side test. Here is the second example in triangle XYZ and LMN. XY segment XY congruent segment LM. Angle Y congruent angle M. Segment YZ congruent segment MN. This is given. Therefore, these two triangles, triangle XYZ and triangle LMN are congruent. By which test? Side, angle, side. So write down yes, side, angle, side test. Now this is the third example in triangle PQR and STU. Angle P congruent angle S. PR congruent ST and angle R congruent angle T. This is given. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by which test? Angle, side, angle. So write down. In short, ASA test. This is on last example, fourth one. In triangle LMN and triangle PTR. These two angles are right angle triangles. Angle M and angle T are right angles. And one of the right angle side, that is LM, is congruent to TP and hypotenuse LN congruent hypotenuse PR. Therefore, these two triangles, triangle LMN and triangle PTR, are congruent by which test? Hypotenuse side test, and this test is only for right angle triangles. So solve this example in your notebook. Now we take second example, second question. Second question. Observe the information shown in the pairs of triangles given below. State the test by which the two triangles are congruent and write the remaining congruent part of the triangle. This is the first example. Here in triangle ABC and PQR. What is given part? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC congruent angle PQR. This is given. Segment BC congruent segment QR given. Angle ACB congruent angle PRQ. This is also given. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. By which test? Angle, side, angle. Write down the answer, that is ASA, angle, side, angle test. Now remaining part, angle BAC means which angle? This angle, congruent to this. So write down the name of the angle, angle QPR. Angle segment AB, this side, congruent to PQ. Write down the answer, segment PQ. And segment PR, congruent to AC. Write down the answer, segment AC. Now complete this activity. Second example. In second example, from the information shown in the figure, in triangle PTQ and triangle STR, PT congruent ST, and this angle PTQ, which angle? This angle congruent to this, vertically opposite angles, and TQ congruent TR. This is given. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by which test? Triangle PTQ congruent triangle STR by side angle side means SAS test. Next, angle TPQ means this angle congruent this. TSR, write down second filling the blanks, that is angle TSR, and TRS means this angle congruent to this. Write down angle TQP. TQP. Region corresponding angles of congruent triangle. We write down in this way also, CACT. First, C stands for corresponding, A stands for angle, C congruent, T triangle. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. CACT. Here, segment PQ congruent, this segment PQ congruent segment PQ SR. Write down segment SR. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. In short, we write down in this way, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. CSCT. Complete these two activities in the notebook. Third question. From the information shown in the figure, state the test assuring the congruence of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Write the remaining congruent parts of the triangles. Solution. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what is given part? We write down the given part one by one. Angle A congruent angle Q. Each right angle. Next, segment AB congruent segment QP. AB QP. Given. Next one, hypotenuse BC congruent hypotenuse PR. This is also given. Write down hypotenuse BC congruent hypotenuse PR. This is also given. Therefore, triangle ABC, one-to-one correspondence, ABC to QPR. Write down triangle ABC congruent triangle QPR. Here we write down triangle PQR, but here when you write down the congruency, then 1-to-1 correspondence is very important. Write down the test, hypotenuse side test. Now remaining angles and sides we write down. This angle B congruent to angle P and this C congruent to R. Write down. Angle B congruent angle P, angle C congruent angle R. What is the reason? In short, we write down CACT, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Now, remaining one part, that is this AC is congruent to QR. Write down segment AC congruent segment QR, corresponding sides of congruent triangle CSCT. This is the figure of fourth question. As shown in the figure, in triangle LMN and triangle PNM, LM is equal to PN, segment LN is equal to PM. This is given. Write the test which assure the congruence of two triangles. Write their remaining congruent parts. Solution. Here two triangles are overlapped. Some part is overlapping. So here we highlight the figure. In triangle LMN and triangle PNM. This is triangle LMN and triangle PNM. This is second triangle. In these two triangles, segment LM congruent segment PN. This is given. Write down. Write down the reason given. Now observe the figure. This segment MN and is common in both the triangle. In triangle LMN, that is segment MN, and in triangle PNM, that is MN. Same segment. We write down segment MN congruent segment NM. Write down the reason common side. And segment LN congruent segment PM given. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by which test? Side, 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 side. So write down triangle LMN congruent triangle PNM. Yes, yes, yes test. Now observe the figure. Now write down the remaining congruent parts. Here only angles are remain. So this angle L congruent to this angle P. Write down. Angle L congruent angle P. Next angle. Here observe this angle. This complete angle L M N congruent P N M. Write down. Angle L M N congruent angle P N M. Now observe angle LNM means this angle, and in triangle PNM this angle PMN. So write down the name of the angles. Angle LNM congruent angle PMN. Write down the reason. That is common for all these three statements. So write down corresponding angles of congruent triangles CACT. Complete this example. Fifth example. In figure, segment AB is congruent to CB. AD congruent to CD. This is given part. Prove that triangle ABD is congruent to CBD. Solution in triangle ABD and triangle CBD. There are two triangles. I highlight one triangle, this one and this one. In these two triangles, this BD is common. Now, what is given? This AB is congruent to CB given and AD congruent to CD. This is given and this segment BD is common in both the triangle. This is common in both the triangle. Therefore, write down the statements. Segment AB congruent segment CB. Write down the reason given. Then segment BD congruent segment BD. That is common side. इकडे लक्ष द्या इथं BD congruent BD मगाशी MN आणि NM असं लिहिलं होतं सेमच सेगमेंट आहे पण त्यांचं 1-to-1 करस्पॉन्डन्स दोन्ही ट्रायंगल मध्ये वेगवेगळं होतं इथं मात्र BD congruent BD segment AD congruent segment CD. What is the reason given? Therefore triangles are congruent by which test? Yes, yes, yes. Write down triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. Reason? Yes, yes, yes test. Last question. Question number 6. In figure, angle P congruent angle R. Segment PQ congruent segment RQ. Then prove that triangle PQT congruent angle RQS. So solution. Now observe the figure. I highlight triangle PQT. This is a triangle PQT and now RQS. हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल आता तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित दिसत आहेत. ठीक आहे. मग पहिलं स्टेप काय येणार आहे इन ट्रायंगल PQT and RQS. Angle P, this angle P congruent this angle R. Write down angle P congruent angle R. This is a given. Now what is the second part? PQ, segment PQ congruent segment RQ. हे दोन segments कसे आहेत? Congruent आहेत. Write down segment PQ congruent segment RQ. Write down the reason given. Now observe the figure carefully. This angle Q is common in triangle PQT as well as in triangle RQS. So write down angle Q congruent angle Q. Write down the reason common angle. Now these two triangles are congruent by which test? Angle side angle. Angle side angle. So write down triangle PQT congruent triangle RQS ASA test. Here we finish practice set 3.2. Write down all the examples in your notebook. Thank you.